Hello everyone and welcome. Mbaniriza mu video yaffe eyalero, and today we are going to look at asking for anything. Asking for anything. Remember, asking in Luganda tugamba okusaba ekintu. So asking for anything is okusaba ekintu kyonna. So say ebisingo oyinza okuba nga oyagala kusaba ekintu kyonna kyonna, of course in English and Luganda. So asking for anything, okusaba ekintu kyonna. Method, the formula you have to use, you say I am requesting for, then you add on that thing. Once again, you say I am requesting for and you add on that thing. Or you can say I am asking for and that thing. Kinds of printing, please contact Sam's Perfect Prints. Once again, you say I am asking for, or oyinza ogamba I am requesting for and you add on that thing. Remember, thing in Luganda ekintu. Okay? Thing ekintu. Anything ekintu kyonna. So in Luganda tugamba inze, because I am, inze nsaba ku nogattako ekintu ekyo kyoyagala okusaba. So inze nsaba ku n'ekyo ekintu and you add on that thing. So inze nsaba ku n'ekyo ekintu. So you have used two sentences. You can say I am requesting for or I am asking for, and you mention that thing you're asking for. Let's have some examples. Ebyokulabirako. Number one, we say I am requesting for example, sugar. I am requesting for sugar. Are we together? Once again, I am requesting for example, sugar is the thing you are requesting for. Inze nsaba ku sukali. Once again, inze nsaba ku sukali. So sugar in Luganda we say sukali. So I am requesting for sugar. Inze nsaba ku sukali. Someone else can say I am asking for sugar. So what is the difference between I am requesting and I am asking? I am requesting, it shows politeness in speech. Eraga egonjebwa ng'osaba ekintu kyonna. But if you say I am asking for, this is not polite. So I am requesting is more formal and polite. So I am requesting for sugar, or I am asking for sugar. Okay, let's proceed. I am requesting for a pen. I am requesting for a pen. I am requesting for a pen in Luganda tugamba inze nsaba ku kalamu. Inze nsaba ku kalamu. Ambagamba nze nsaba ku bayiro. Okay, so I am asking for or I am requesting for a pen. Inze nsaba ku kalamu. Are we together? Good. Number three, I am asking for drinks. I am asking for drinks. Inze nsaba ku byokunywa. Inze nsaba ku byokunywa. Once again, I am asking for drinks. You say inze nsaba ku byokunywa. Are we together? Good. Don't forget, if you like my videos, please subscribe to Benny 2178 on YouTube and TikTok. Okay, let's proceed. So number 4, we have I am requesting for salt. I am requesting for salt. I am requesting for salt in Luganda tugamba inze nsaba ku munyo. So salt is munyo. I am requesting for salt. Inze nsaba ku munyo. Good. I am asking for help. I am asking for help in Luganda tugamba inze nsaba ku buyambi. Inze nsaba ku buyambi. Okay, thanks very much for watching my video. Bye bye. Wait about.